Hello, I am Alison Palevsky. I have an interior design firm in Santa Monica, California, and we're here today in Pacific Palisades, and I'm going to show you a house that we did from the ground up. I'm so excited to take a tour with you, so let's go on in. This is one of the first spaces that you walk into, so the lighting was a very important part of it. They're made of blackened steel material, which you'll see repeated throughout the house in the fireplace and some other areas, and they add a sculptural element. So the foyer leads us to the living room and the main entertaining space, and this piece here we designed specifically to act as a room divider. And one of the great things about this piece is that it's almost two consoles together as one, and each one has a little ottoman underneath it, and they're just great little additions to have around. One of the challenges to designing a contemporary or modern space is that they often feel like they're big white boxes. Ways that we got around that in this space was to use the black windows and doors. We also built this beautiful cabinet by creating this movable panel, and the coffee table is a scored oak, which has a gold paint patina set into the engraved scored lines, which I love. It's kind of a throwback to an old Hollywood look. And here again in this space, you'll see the same materials that we used in the bookshelf. The blackened steel, the walnut in the mantelpiece, all feels like it was designed with the same thought process and goals. This moment that I'm in right now is cozy and intimate and just makes you feel really good while you're sitting in the space. This kitchen is all about the stonework, and I absolutely love the way that it's book matched to create this V on the face of the hood. It's the best moment in the house. The light quartzite in this space serves as a really nice contrast against the darker tone cabinetry that you see here. And that was something that we deliberately chose to tie back the materials from some of the other rooms. Since we are working with an open floor plan, it's important to create continuity and flow. This outdoor living space reminds me a lot of what it feels like when you're on vacation and you open your hotel room door to a fantastic balcony or outdoor space. And if you really want to get away, you can retreat upstairs and find your sanctuary in the primary bedroom. This bedroom is a bit more minimalistic. Their concept behind it was that they wanted to relax and really be able to focus and gather their thoughts in this space, so we kept it very calming. The bed that we selected is made of both wood and fabric and give it a little bit of character. And then the fabrics on the blankets and the pillows make the space feel inviting and warm and like you just want to jump into the bed. We dropped in a light fixture that's a little bit glamorous and adds just an extra bit of sparkle to a room that feels fairly neutral. And of course, no resort would be complete without a grand balcony to take advantage of spectacular views from all angles. Well, that's it for our tour today. I hope to see you again soon at another project.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.